Hey everyone, it's Lizzie again at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm just trying out some gorgeous new shoes for everyone today. So here we have the Delight-3000. Now these are a boot. This is a boot. Look at that. Now these are the shiny version in black, but they also come in a matte black. Pretty sure we've done these before on the channel, so be sure to check those out in our videos. I'll just get the other one out for you. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that shine. Now before I put these on, I will put some little foot socks on just to make sure my feet slide in nice and easy. Now the material is very flexible and stretchy, so you can get it around your legs. As you can see, it does stretch, which is great because I have some thighs. Look how they catch the light. I'll just pop the next one on. So these are a 6-inch heel, and they fit very, very comfortably, not too tight, which is great. They look beautiful in this light. We'll just take them outside so you can see how they look in the natural light. So shiny. Let's go for a little walk. So these are a 6-inch heel, very secure from the ankle all the way up to the thigh. Now they do come in a matte black, but I personally prefer the shiny ones because they catch the light absolutely beautifully, as you can see. We'll just head back inside now. They look absolutely gorgeous. So again, these are a Please Delight-3000 in the shiny black. They are a 6-inch heel. I'll just take them off for you. They fit like an absolute glove. And again, the material is very, very stretchy and flexible. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell notification to make sure you're informed of all our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.